Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an Olight Warrior X. Now I was contacted by Skyben. They carry this light in their Amazon store. They wanted me to test and review this light here. Comes in this box. Pretty simple on the box. Very nice details as far as pictures and performance specs are on the box. So let's go ahead and take a look at them here. Now this light has two light outputs, one 300 lumens and the other one is 2000 lumens. Alright, so if you need more time to read that, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to open it up and see what's in. Now this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this box to get you started outside the box. Again, it's telling you some information about the battery, also including the little protective sleeve in there to preserve the battery. Here's the user manual. Pretty detailed on that. Looks like it comes with some type of an adapter here, so we'll take a look at that in a little bit. And it looks like some more details of their other products. Always nice to see what they're coming out with next. This is the magnetic charging cable. And it really comes in handy because you could just slap that on there. Now there's a little status LED here on this cord going into the unit here. That will be green when fully charged and it will be red when charging. Pretty simple and easy on that particular feature. I want to make sure there's nothing else in there. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light in the holster. It is an open-end design, so that lets you know if you do leave the light on accidentally, it will shine through, hopefully keeping you from burning a hole into the holster. Kind of a neat little idea here with this head going down. Still going to be some dust, but protection is definitely nice. This is padded and it is molded in shape there, so it's going to keep your light very well protected. And here's the light. Now this light is incorporating their very first vibrating battery level indicator, so it's pretty nice. Again, style and design on this is excellent. I'm not seeing any issues with the design. It's very nice, very rugged look. It's got an attitude all of its own right here. Definitely a warrior attitude with this design. A lot of heat sinking here, and it is quite large, so that should help with keeping the light cool when you're on those 2000 output. Tail clicky there, that's where you're going to charge the light as well. Pretty simple on that. That's how you charge it. Again, this will turn red when charging, green when finished. Pretty straightforward on the charging mechanism. I like the tactical ring on here. Also can hook your lanyard to that if you have one. Easily carry it like that. You can mount this to a gun. It does have some flat spots here where you can slide that onto a mount. The clip is also removable, but definitely looks really nice on this light. signature blue bezel on there. That's really nice. Machining and finish is outstanding on this light. Really nice. Okay, now this is running a smooth reflector. This is running the Cree XHP 35 high LED. Now this is a complete kit. It does come with a battery. So now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the insides here. Well greased on the threads. Very nice. Straight contact point on that tail cap. Don't forget to remove that from the battery. Again, negative end goes towards the head of the light. Comes with this very nice high amp 3000 milliamp protected cell. It's a 15 amp cell, as you can see there. Now again, I can't stress enough when you get a battery with your light that you're going to get the best performance from your light, because Olight is not going to give you a cheap cell when it comes to their lights. Now there is a spring down inside, as you can see. Kind of bringing a light here so you guys can see it down in there. It is pretty rugged on that. Alright, now that we've looked at the spring, we're going to go ahead and put this back together. We're going to go over the UI. Now the UI, you can program this light between two modes, and we'll go ahead and go over the one. Now you can half press on this switch or full press for the highest output. We're just going to half press on that. That's 300 lumens there. And as you can see, it's got a really nice defined hot spot. It is a little bit on the larger side. Really nice detailed spill, and that looks like that's going to be pretty large as well. So now with a full press like that, you can get the full 2000 lumens on this. This is a neutral white version that I have here. A lot of light coming out of that. Then again, full press will turn it off. Now if you want to change the mode, you can just unscrew the tail cap a little bit, press and hold as you're screwing it back. Now that I've screwed it down, now you can go to half press to get the 2000 lumens, or full press to get strobe. And that is a constant rate on that strobe. Speed is very steady. Then again, just release it. If you want to half press that, again, it's all pressurized now. Half press will get you 2000 lumens. Full press will get you strobe. Now again, you can change that really simple. Screwing that back down. Now we're back to the regular mode. Again, 300, 2000. Really simple and easy on this light. Really like the style on that. Feels good in the grip, especially in this area here. You're definitely not going to drop it or lose it. You definitely might want to invest in a lanyard if you are susceptible to dropping your lights. Alright, so let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Warrior X from Olight. So it's got two light outputs, so let's go ahead and get started. 300 lumens, the lowest output. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. Tree line, fence line. There's the beam on the fence. Give you an idea of the spill and the hot spot. Even at this light output, it is making it across the park. So that is impressive. And it is making those trees way out there in the distance. That's pretty good. Very good, actually. 238 feet to that tree there. 138 feet to the tree of life. Doing really good. There's a before and after. Give you an idea. Alright, we're going to go to the highest output here on the tree of life. Look at that. Look at the spill. Very large spill on this. Look at the range on it. 238 feet to that tree there. From that tree to that tree. All the way to those trees. It's a long ways, believe it or not. Got all my map distances in my Facebook group. If you ever want to question them, you can. You can take a look at them for yourself. I've used Google Maps, easily making it across the park. Look at that. Excellent performance on this. Tree line, fence line. I'm going to put it right here. We're going to do a beam profile. Looking very nice. Excellent performance. Making those trees way back there too. That's quite a ways away. Easily making the school, even with their lights on. And there's the palm trees. Even the furthest one away, closer one. That's incredible. We'll do a before and after on this. All right. Very nice. Do one more pan around the park. There's the tennis courts there. And this is lasting quite a while on turbo. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Well, I did try to put this onto this area here where the tactical ring is, and I like this one better, so I'm going to end up keeping this on there. The other one is got a rubber texture on it, kind of smooths out this area from the tail cap, but I like this a lot better, seems to me. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and just keep it like this. I'm really liking the style and design on this new light. Really have gone the extra mile on this, in my opinion. Not only that, but performance is actually pretty good. Now, 2000 lumens does not stay at that high output for very long. So in all actuality, from 2000 lumens, it will step down to 600 lumens. Here, it did it within 3 minutes, so it does get hot pretty quickly. Now, 600 lumens is still a lot of light. Definitely, since this is a thrower, it's still going to have some good performance. So I've got to give it to Olight here on this model. Definitely a 2 thumbs up for me as far as the style and design. Kind of wish they had another mode on there where you can get some additional light outputs to say like 300 lumens to 1,000, and then the 2,000 for maybe everyday carry users. Would have been nice, in my opinion. Again, I want to thank Skyband for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, this comes with everything you need right in that box to get you started outside the box. All you got to do is charge it. You're ready to go. I will leave a link to their Amazon store down in the description, and you can pick this up in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of Olights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.